Looking to achieve efficient and reliable irrigation for your farm or garden? In this video, you'll get the perfect solution for every need. For groundwater, the submersible well pumps are designed to provide high lift and strong pressure, ensuring water reaches even the most challenging depths. Need to cover a large area with sprinkler systems? The end suction pumps are built for high capacity, making them perfect for large-scale irrigation needs. For precise water delivery, the multi-stage pumps offer stable and reliable performance, ideal for drip irrigation systems that require consistent pressure. Looking for a portable and easy-to-use option? The Jet self-priming pumps are great for small gardens and light irrigation tasks, offering flexibility and convenience. From deep wells to surface irrigation, Stream Pumps has the right pump for every irrigation need. Visit streampumps.com to find your perfect match today.